मला सांगा फक्त मला स्टार्ट. Hello my dear students, myself Professor Rajendra Sable, and you know that my subject obviously yes, that is English. It's very nice to meet you through online, but painful also, because there is a lot of fun when we are face to face on each other. But anyway, no problem. It's a natural and crucial issue, you know, that because of the lockdown we have to stay at our home. But staying at home and taking care of ourselves, we didn't forget about our health, and we didn't forget about our study also. That's why our class is arranged online lectures, and so that to teach you English I stand. So guys, you know that very well. Whenever we start any subject or any topic, so before we start that topic or that subject, it is compulsory for us that we must know the pattern of question paper. When we know all about the question paper, then it will be easy for us that how to solve the questions, how to change the sentences, examples. There are lots of grammar question also, writing skill also. But I think that we must know all about our question paper. That's why today we start our lecture with pattern of question paper. So I would like to write on the board. So all of you ready for that? I think so, yes, you are ready for that. So guys, we start our new journey, and we start our journey with a very interesting subject, that is English, and very soon we will be in front of each other, we will be face to face on each other. So now guys, without wasting our time, we'll start our topic, first topic, that is pattern of question paper. So here is the So guys, it's our pattern of question paper. It is little bit related to the 10th standard also. So we can say that it is the preparation of 10th standard. When we are learning in 9th standard, so there are so many things in our question paper that is related to the 10th standard. So we can say that it is the base also of 10th standard. So pattern of question paper, standard 9th and subject obviously English. Getting? Now we'll start. Before we start our pattern of question paper, I would like to explain that our paper has distributed into so many parts, like language study, then textual passages, then non-textual passages, then writing skill, and so many other things. So our first question, that is for language study, it means it covers so many grammar topic, and it carries 10 mark. But that 10 mark, our question paper has distributed that 10 mark also, that is the language study 10 mark. We will see and we will classify them after the pattern of question paper. So write down first, it's language study, and it is for 10 marks. So guys, in language study, they will ask so many questions for us, and I would like to show you the distribution of marks, this 10 marks. So in our question paper, it is distributed in this way. It's A1, that is 4 marks. A2, it is also for the 4 marks, and B, it is for 2 marks. In this way, they covered the grammar questions, and it carries 10 marks. So how many topics they would like to ask us? We will see that also. A very important topic they have covered. For example, types of sentences, then punctuations, then use of adverbs, and all grammar topics. I will give it to you, total grammar topic also. There are so many grammar topics. I would like to just explain the distribution of the marks of this 10 mark. Means 4 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 10. That is a distribution of marks. And for this 10 mark, they ask these type of questions. That's why I wrote here. Okay. Now guys, it's time, that is textual passages. I am erasing this thing because it is just for your information. It is no need to write. Now it's question number 2. A. It is for scene passage. It carries 10 marks. Our scene paragraph. I would like to show you also the distribution of these 10 marks. How these 10 marks distributed in our question paper. I would like to show you. So guys, they ask 10 mark in a manner that we have to say that activity based questions. So they will ask 5 questions. A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. They will ask these 5 questions. A. Activity based questions. Each question carry 2 marks. It means A1, 2, A2, A3, A4 and A5 is equal to 10. It is the distribution of seen paragraph. Reading skill, vocabulary and grammar, we have to say that. And these 5 questions, they have also distributed that A1 maybe that is for true or false, A2 for to find the error, A3 that is for vocabulary, means we have to give the synonyms, antonyms, similar words, opposite words, that is the vocabulary question. Fourth one, that is for the grammar, depends on the grammar topic. Any grammar topic questions, sentences, examples they will give us and we have to solve that. And last one, that is for the personal response. See, it means it's very clear that what they will ask in our question paper, they have already given us the structure of question paper. It means it is helpful for us and we can easily solve the question paper. So it is the structure. I think you can get the points. I have show here the distribution of 10 marks. For these 10 marks, they ask 5 questions, 5 activity based questions. Sometimes they will give us pie chart, or we have to make the tree diagram, or whatever the things. Again, I would like to erase that because there is no need to write this information, because it's just the distribution of that 10 marks which they would like to ask us. Now, there is another seen paragraph that is in B part. Question number 2, A and B. So, here is another seen passage. And again it carries 10 marks. You know that in our textbook there are units, and in that units we have the different type of lessons, different type of poems. So from that textbook they will give us 2 seen paragraph. Any, it is from any lesson, any paragraph, but seen paragraph. Seen, it means that is from our textbook. So again I would like to say that distribution of these 10 marks. So it is also similar to the first seen paragraph. Distribution of both the paragraph is similar to each other. Like in second paragraph, second seen paragraph, they will give 5 activity type questions, again similar to first paragraph, and they will give the questions like this: B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. maybe they will give us for first question any chart or fill in the blanks. In second, maybe they will give us match the pairs. Third, grammar. Fourth one, vocabulary. And fifth one, personal response. It is the distribution of second scene paragraph. Maybe some questions will be changed, but pattern is the same. And each question is carries 2 marks. It means 2, 2, 2 like this, and total is 10. Same as we have seen in first scene paragraph. So guys, again I would like to erase that, because that is only the information. It will clarify your doubts. It will clarify your confusion about the 10 marks. So I would like to erase the information from here. Now it's time. Question number 3rd, A. So what is the question number 3rd, A, related to? So you know that, as earlier I told you, that in our textbook there are units, and in that units there are various types of lessons and poems are there. So they will give us 2 scene paragraph from that poem. And now 3rd question, that is for our poems. So in our examination, they will give stanza of any scene poem, and it carries 5 marks. It is the structure of scene poem questions. So again I would like to explain the distribution of 5 marks. Sometimes they will give us 3 questions, or sometimes they will give us 4 questions. Sometimes structures or distribution of marks will be like this: 1, 1, 2, again 1, like this. And in these 4 questions, they will ask to complete the wave diagram, or they will ask to write the rhyming words, rhyming pairs, or they would like to ask a very important question, that is figures of speech. Getting? We will see that one by one, whatever the figures of speech we have. So guys, it is the distribution of poem questions. And when we learn the poem, So we can easily understand, we can easily give the answer of each questions, because it is also the type of web diagrams. Sometimes they will ask true or false also in our poem questions. Match the pairs, that is also the part of questions of poems. And rhyming pairs, rhyming words, figures of speech, you know that very well. So it is the distribution of poem questions also. Okay. So now again I would like to erase that information of scene poem. Like 20.